Alright. Alright, here's the half axle. You can see right there it had a big hole in it, so it slung all the grease out of it. Sorry, I gotta get the light right here. This here is the bushing that's been bad. It's real bad. It shouldn't wiggle like that. It should be tight. Really rusted out. Here's all the new stuff. New bushing, whole new control arm. Replacing the whole knuckle. Replacing the whole bearing because I'm not trying to separate. I'm not trying to separate that bearing from the knuckle. So, new bearing, new knuckle, new control arm, new half shaft, and tie rod, stabilizer bar, shock, control arm, mounting point, and there's a control arm mounting point in there. So get it all put back together. Alright, and I'll post another video later.